You are under attack. An accusation is made, a judgment passed, your character questioned. Your instinct, conditioned by social programming, screams at you to defend yourself, to explain, to clarify, to justify. This instinct is a trap. It is a mechanism of submission. The moment you begin to defend yourself, you have already lost. You have handed the keys to your psychological kingdom to your accuser. You have validated their frame, accepted their authority to judge you, and placed yourself in the subordinate position of the defendant. Power is not in the argument. Power is in the frame. He who sets the frame wins the war. And defending yourself is willingly stepping into the enemy's cage. This is a battle for dominance. Machiavelli understood this brutal truth. While others debated morality, he mapped the mechanics of power. For him, the world was an arena for sovereigns. A sovereign does not explain. A sovereign declares, "The need to justify is the brand of the servant." When you are accused, you are not being invited to a debate. You are being tested. Your accuser is probing your strength, asserting a reality in which they are the judge and you are the judged. By defending yourself, you accept this reality. You become a participant in your own subordination. You are signaling that their opinion holds weight, that their judgment has the power to define you. This is a catastrophic strategic error. It drains your energy and reduces you to a reactive state. The strong do not win arguments. They render arguments irrelevant. Consider the predator in the wild. When challenged, it does not debate its right to be there. It displays overwhelming strength or total indifference. Both are statements of absolute sovereignty. Defending yourself is a plea for acceptance from the very person challenging you. The Machiavellian reversal is to refuse to argue on their terms. It is to seize the frame with such force that their accusation dissolves. There are three weapons for this. First, agree and amplify. You take their accusation and magnify it to an absurd degree, robbing it of its power through ridicule. They call you selfish. You respond, "Selfish? I'm building a temple to my own ego that will blot out the sun." You have not defended, you have transcended. Second, strategic silence. You meet their attack with a calm, unwavering gaze and say nothing. This unnerves the accuser. They expect a reaction. Your silence creates a vacuum, and they are forced to question their own attack. Their power withers in the face of your control. Third, pivoting to interrogation. You ignore the accusation and question the accuser's motive. What is it you hope to achieve by saying that? Or, what weakness in your own position makes you need to attack mine? This is a complete frame reversal. You are no longer the defendant, you are the analyst, and they are the subject squirming under your microscope. You have shifted the spotlight from your actions to their intent. In all these scenarios, you refuse to play their game. The Matrix wants you to believe that clearing your name is a noble act. It is not. It is a slave's errand. Your name is not defined by the whispers of others. It is forged by your actions. Engaging with every dog that barks at you only distracts you from your destination. Let them bark. Your focus must remain on the throne. True power is freedom from the need to prove yourself to lesser minds. Every time you feel that pull to justify, to explain, recognize it. It is the ghost of your inner servant begging for validation. You must kill this servant. Let your actions be your only argument. Let success be your only defense. The world is divided into two classes, those who explain and those who achieve. The explainers are at the mercy of their audience. The achievers are the audience. They define reality. The accusation against you is a test of which class you belong to. Are you here to plead your case before a jury of your inferiors? Or are you here to build an empire so vast their opinions become wind? The choice reflects your ambition. Defending yourself is admitting you can be judged. A true sovereign is the only judge in his own court. Never surrender that authority. Never defend, only dominate. If you have watched this far, it is because this truth was not new to you. It was a memory, dormant in your blood, now reawakened. You are not part of the weak-willed majority that clicked away in discomfort. You stayed because you are a survivor of their reality. The seed of sovereignty has been consecrated in your mind. It can no longer be removed. This is not a channel. It is a fortress for the awakened elite, a legion of sovereigns. Therefore, Commenting with the words, "I am the frame," is not for my algorithm. It is a silent pact, a ritual of power where you declare your separation from the herd. Subscribe and activate the signal to fortify your place among us. Now go. Take what is yours.